watching Nick Jr. 55, K and KJ, serving North Brunswick-San Mateo. Hi, me and Blue are about to play with our sock puppets. Bow, bow, bow. Do you want to play too? You do? Great, because a new episode of Baby Blues is coming up next on Nick Jr. 55 as the channel. Coming up next, coming up later on, is Lobsters After Wiz. Help Dorothy and Turtle get to Emerald City on time for the Wizard's big party. That's Season 1, Episode 1. Coming up next, you can learn and play along with Baby Blues. You can help Catlin and Blue play with their sock puppets. Coming up next on Nick Jr. 55 at our channel. Welcome to Baby Blues. It's time to play along. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, put on my sock. Hi, it's me, Sock Puppet. I'm looking for my friend. Do you see him? Well, he's not anywhere. Bye. Oh, just kidding. It's me, Catlin. And welcome back to Baby Blues. This is Blue. Bow. We're now playing with our sock puppet. Wait, I need to take my sock puppet off. Anyway, we have lots of sock. Okay, we only have one sock puppet. And we need another sock puppet. Hello? Oh, hi, Magenta. Oh, you're coming over to our house today? Oh, it's a surprise? Wow, that's great. See you there, Magenta. Magenta is bringing a surprise for us. I wonder what it will be. Okay. I can't wait for this judge to come. Aren't you excited, Blue? Bop, bop. Bop, 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 bop. Blue is so excited. Now we get to have more sock puppet fun. Bop, bop, bop. Oh, I think that's Magenta now. I'm coming, Magenta. Oh, hi, Magenta. Remember Magenta from those last 3 episodes? Oh, great, another sock puppet. Come on in, Magenta. Here's Magenta. And he's got another sock. And she's got another sock puppet. For you, Blue. Okay. Let me put this sock puppet on your hand. Bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Bow. Bow, 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 bow. Ew. No, Blue. Let's find out. Blue wants to know, what can he do with his sock puppet? Will you help me out? You will? Great. So, Blue, what can he do with your sock puppet? So you can speak and say, bow, 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 bow. Oh, and since your head's small and this sock puppet's big, you can use it as a bed. Bow. Magenta's staying here for another 3 episodes. This is just the first episode. Stay tuned for the next 2 episodes. Anyway, I had to go to the store to buy more sock puppets. Bye, Magenta. Row, row. Goodbye, Blue. Bow, bow. And thanks for playing along with us. See you next time on Baby Blues. Catlin was acted out by me, Malik Stevens Books. Blue was acted out by himself. Magenta was acted out by herself. We hope to see you next time on Baby Blues on next January 55. This has been a Nick Junior 55 KNKJ production.